Lovely. Would you like to follow me, please? Welcome to Screech Rye village. The settlement's only a few dozen used to call home. Even less now. An excited inhabitant named Timothy Ricketts received tickets for his 10th birthday to ride the locomotive to London, departing from platform 15. Not long into their journey, a signal light failed to stop the train at the switch tracks, causing it to fly over into a nearby tar pit. As the passengers desperately tried to clamber off, the engine exploded, throwing them from the train into the nearby tar pit. Now, many people believe the victims' souls are still trapped at the moment in time, even though most of their bodies were recovered. It is to be believed that the conductor survived the initial crash and tried to wrench the bodies out of the bubbling pool of tar. One was to be believed. The body of a small boy, a charred and mangled Timothy. He dragged their melting, dying bodies up the track, searching for help. To this day, we still do not know how far they got. And as for the people who did not board the train, they have become ghosts, trapped in time, waiting for their loved ones to return. Now, many of our visitors report seeing the faces of these souls and hear the screams of people who lost their lives that day. We hope you make it to the end of the line. After you.
Everyone seemed to know everyone, and they were placed together like a family. When walking through the village, you can see the remains of their homes, from pictures of loved ones to beds still made up. It's sad to see that the families never got to come home from their trip. The eeriness of the abandoned village is a cold chill in the air. It still feels as if the villagers haven't really left after all. Some say you can still hear the passengers' final goodbyes and pitter-patter of children running around excitedly before they set off on their final destination. Saved up all the money they could to purchase a ticket from platform 15. Little did they know, it would be their last journey in life. Sleeper Express. Here we can retrace the steps of those villagers. It was a small village filled with joy and prosperity, a place you could really call home. Everyone seemed to know everyone, and they were placed together like a family. When walking through the village, you can see the remains of their homes, from pictures of their friends. It's sad to see The wreckage of the Sleeper Express still remains untouched. Some say this place is cursed with unfriendly spirits who died horrifically from the fire.
Exciting discovery has emerged. Our previous visitors report of seeing what appears to be the conductor and his passengers. Now this is an exciting discovery for us. It appears they asphyxiated from the fumes from the train in the tunnel. And with that catharsis, we can now lay our tour to rest. As for you, well, you've almost made it to the end of the line. But unfortunately, there's only one way out.